This is 58 Cathedral Road. We had an instruction to carry out a deep retrofit on the property. It was a G rating on the BER scale, and we brought it up 10 levels. So in relation to the exterior, we put a new roof on the main house, we put in new windows, we did an exterior insulation wrap on the entire property. We installed a warm roof at the rear. We stripped out the old roof, which was an old concrete structure with felt on it, and that was replaced in full. So if we just go to the interior of the property then, we did a full strip out on the ground floor. We removed all cabling, all wiring, stripped everything right back to a shell and core, brand new first fix and second fix electrical. We stripped out the bathroom on the ground floor. We installed the lobby to comply with the regulations, and we put in a large shower tray, wash and basin and toilet. Then when we go upstairs, in relation to the energy upgrades upstairs, we had to, in the sloped areas of the rafters, we had to put PIR insulation between the rafters. We also put an insulated slab over that, re-slabbed the ceilings and tape and jointed. On the flat sections then, we rolled out 300 mils of insulation, so that gives a full wrap around coziness to the house and increase. We've actually hit an A rated on this particular house. It was originally a 3-bedroom house with no bathroom upstairs, so we included a bathroom upstairs, so we actually reduced the bedroom size marginally, but it was a very compact bathroom. We didn't qualify for the vacant property grant as it wasn't vacant 2 years. However, we did secure a €15,000 grant with SEI.